Hi, I'm Jeff Clift, Director of Training here at Organized Living and your host for Installer's Corner. Today we're going to be covering best practices for installing filler sections in both wall mount and floor mount Classica cabinets. Since filler sections are common, there are recommendations and best practices that will help ensure you have a nice, clean, finished product. Let's get started.
Prior to ordering an installation, we always recommend that Classica design should only include one filler section per each wall-to-wall setup of Classica. By limiting the number of filler sections, installers can spend less time on the job site and reduce the chance of any installation errors. To start, measure and note the cut-to length for your supporting cleats. Measure, mark, and cut your cleats to size while noting cleat orientation to ensure you're removing material from the right side, leaving the left side cams intact. Repeat this for your additional cleat. Slide each cleat over the connecting hardware, tighten the cams, and level and secure each cleat using 2 melamine anchors. Continue wall mount installation by positioning a movable shelf over the top of your panels, aligning the front edges, and drawing a scribe line both left and right. Cut the shelf to size and position over shelf pins. Scribing your top shelf will ensure a clean, flush fit and will reduce the chance of mismeasurement errors. Once your top shelf has been cut, test fit your shelf by repositioning to spaces where other movable shelves are required. If your scribe shelf aligns in these areas, use this shelf to mark and cut other movable shelves as required and finalize by positioning into place over shelf pins. If installing floor-mounted section, follow the same cleat installation as outlined for a wall mount section. Once cleats are installed and anchored, measure the opening, mark the toe kick, and cut to fit. Slide your toe kick over the connecting hardware and position into place. Before tightening the cams, align the right side of the toe kick to the front of the right panel and using the corner bracket and wood screws, secure from the back into place. Using the scribe method previously outlined, test fit your cut shelf at the bottom position above the cleat and toe kick. If shelf sizing needs to be adjusted, measure front and back panel distances and measure, mark, and cut your bottom shelf. Position into place atop the cleat and toe kick until secure.
By following these best practices for filler sections, I have no doubt you'll be able to provide a clean, finished product with your Classica cabinets. If you have any questions, please reach out to your dealer support specialist, and I look forward to you joining us on another episode of Installer's Corner.